Late in the night, in the sky all alone, so captivating, the moon is now shone. And I would love to reach heaven for you, but what to do? At night I must sleep too. Early at dawn, in the morning so bright, the sun is just hanging so low in my sight. And I would love to pull it down for you, but what to do? It's hard to wake up to. I don't need a great Serena, I'm not scared of an angina, I'm not scared of anything, see. If my beauty Malvina, if my beauty Malvina, if my beauty Malvina would adore no one else, only me. Clouds hanging over my head, sparkling so pretty like tears I have shed. And I would love to take you for a ride, but what to do? I might just slip and slide. Tulips are blooming, a field made for you, whispering softly, come gift us all due. And I would love to pick them for your sake, but what to do? I need to take a break. Don't need a great Serena, I'm not scared of an angina, I'm not scared of anything, see. If my beauty Malvina, if my beauty Malvina, if my beauty Malvina would adore no one else, only me. Space is inviting and grand, stars are all dancing right here where I stand. The Milky Way I would gift you, I think, but what to do? The milk I'll surely drain. Heard in the land of the fools there's a lot, money is buried, a solid jackpot. And I would love to secure our romance, but I'm no fool, I will not take that chance. Can be planted to make me like new. And I would love to collect all of that, but what to do? What will I give the cat? Hear me, Malvina, my beautiful bride, I will be loving just you by my side.